Hey guys, Asadfirm back with you again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this gas cap which is stuck. It was caused by staff at the gas station closing it tightly and worn out cap which is 11 years old now for this car. It is a Ford Ecosport 2015. You will have to pry out the outer cover of the cap in order to get access to the inner cover. In this case, I used a flathead screwdriver and pliers to pry it out. Here you can see the new gas cap and its part number. Now time to replace with the new one. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials. Drive safe.